Namaskaram, welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show you the very unique designs, unique concept, same price point, and as usual, the premium quality. First product you received in Chanderi fabrics with a totally different fusions in a digitally format as well as in kalamkari block print in a digitally format, entire the body as well as in ratapet style border with a black and white fusions. So black and white lovers, this must be watch until the end of this video. And second product you receive the Banarasi cotton silk saree with a pistachio with a red color checks patterns in entire the body with a multi 4 to 5 golden zari lines in entire the bottom part. You can must be visit our website www.vastranand.in and you can explore more than 4,500 plus designs in our website. So you can explore our website and you can download our application in Android and iOS device. Our customer care number is 8154000063 Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6. You can call anytime, anywhere and any language. We are providing total 6 multi-language support: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing in via our customer care number. Let's start the video. Here you can see the very pretty black and white fusions with a red color combination, light minakari touch-up patterns in entire the body with a human miniature designs. Very pretty lady with a leaf designs in entire the border part with ajrak style border in both side of the saree. Same size border you receive the both side of the saree with a double golden zari border in both side of this border part. Here you can see the entire the body you receive the premium quality the Chanderi fabrics with a black and white color combination. Here you can see the light maroon color combination, the kalamkari artistically designs in a Radha Lakshmi designs in entire the pallu parts with a black and white color combination and red color combination highlighted part of this printed pallu with the elephant motif and pitchwai fusions all together in one saree with a maroon color combination resam tassels part. Here you can see the entire the body parts you receive a dark black color combination with a white color combination the ajrak full curry style prints in both side of this border part. If I talk about the softness of this saree, then he received easy to carry, easy to drape, lightweighted premium quality, the affordable price point and sustainable fabrics, premium quality Chanderi fabrics with 1,050 free shipping all over India. No one can compete this price point and this particular quality in entire the market. Our mesh product, affordable price point and luxurious fabric, just rupees 1,050 free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. The red color combination, the small full curry designs in entirely blouse piece. Let me show you the last but not the least the pistachio with a very unique red color combination, the checks pattern and 4 different designs in entire the border part. Both side of the saree you receive the same size of this border. If I talk about this fabric, then you receive the premium quality soft Banarasi cotton silk saree. Let me show you the how soft. Here you can see the red color combination, the rich pallu, very pretty rich pallu. Here you can see the full golden zari weaves and entire the pallu parts with elephant fusions, namely artistically designs and traditional motifs in 2 parts of this pallu part. 2 pallu with a bigger size pallu parts with a red color combination and middle parts you receive the golden zari weaves in entire the pallu parts with a black color combination resam thread tassels part. This saree also you receive just rupees 1,050 free shipping all over India with a red color combination, the horizontally and vertically checks pattern in entire the body with a totally 4 different elements of this premium quality red color combination ratapet border. Here you can see the different designs of this golden zari weaves with a very unique fill foil of this luxurious Banarasi soft cotton silk saree. Here you can see easy to carry, easy to drape. Let me show you if the fill foil of this saree. Here you can see the lightweighted and affordable price point. The saree you receive just rupees 1,050 free shipping all over India and you can visit our website www.vastranand.in with contrast red color combination plain blouse piece. Vastram Madi Anandam Medi. Buy now at vastranand.in.